everyone, my name is Pranjul Singh. I am final year student of BTech Computer Science and Engineering at Maharana Pratap Engineering College, MPGI, Kanpur. I am extremely thrilled to share with you all that I got placed in British Telecom as a software engineer. The day marked a beginning of a new chapter in my life. When I entered in the campus, I was filled with the sense of determination to spend my most of the time at MPEC. Looking back, I can confidently say that entering MPEC was a turning point of my life. I am grateful for the faculties and TNP department who has been supported me throughout my journey. They provided me ample guidance and holistic educational experience that helped me to develop my communication skills as well as technical skills and analytical skills also. Maharana Pratap Engineering College has a legacy of excellence to provide a high-quality education and innovation. So with these all amazing facts about MPGI, I welcome you all in one of the most reputed engineering college in Kanpur. Thank you.